Every luxury handbag begins not in a boutique, but with carefully selected raw materials.
The quality of a luxury handbag depends first on the leather's texture, strength, and natural grain.
Materials are graded and assigned depending on which part of the handbag they will become.
Luxury handbags must endure years of use, so materials are stress-tested before production.
Designers carefully match materials to each handbag's final aesthetic.
Even the smallest metal detail must meet luxury standards before it becomes part of a handbag.
Once approved, materials are prepared for the transformation into luxury handbags. But selecting materials is only the beginning of how luxury handbags are truly made.
Before a luxury handbag is ever cut or stitched, it must first exist as a precise design.
Designers begin by sketching the exact shape, size, and proportions of the handbag. Every luxury handbag is engineered with structural precision to ensure durability and balance.
Modern workshops use digital modeling to test how a handbag will look and function before production.
Different parts of the handbag require different leather strengths and textures.
Handles are calculated to support weight while maintaining elegance. Paper prototypes allow designers to test proportions before cutting real leather.
Every luxury handbag design undergoes review before entering production.
Once a handbag design is approved, the first physical step is cutting each panel with extreme precision.
Pattern placement determines how the handbag's texture and appearance will look when assembled. Even a millimeter error can affect how a luxury handbag fits together.
Every piece is sorted according to its exact role in the handbag's structure.
Panel thickness is measured to ensure the finished handbag maintains perfect balance.
With every handbag panel precisely cut, the next stage brings these pieces together. With every panel prepared, artisans begin assembling the structure of the luxury handbag.
Precise alignment ensures the handbag maintains symmetry and structural balance.
Many luxury handbags still rely on hand stitching for superior strength and elegance.
Machines are used for sections that require uniform tension and durability.
Corners endure the most strain, so they receive extra reinforcement.
Internal supports help luxury handbags maintain their iconic silhouette.
The interior lining protects contents while adding softness and elegance.
Straps are secured with reinforced stitching to ensure the handbag can handle daily use.
The handbag now has its form, but its luxury identity comes from the finishing details.
After assembly, luxury handbags enter the detailing phase, where identity and elegance are defined.
Each handbag receives hardware chosen to match its design, color, and function.
The logo is one of the most recognizable elements of a luxury handbag. Hardware must be perfectly installed so the handbag remains durable and secure. Zippers are aligned and stitched carefully to ensure smooth operation. Polishing enhances the natural grain and shine of the handbag leather. Strap hardware ensures both strength and style.
Only flawless handbags pass the final detailing inspection.
The handbag is complete, but before reaching customers, it must pass strict quality testing.
Before any luxury handbag reaches a store, it must pass rigorous testing procedures.
Handles and straps are tested under heavy loads to ensure long-term reliability.
Tension machines measure how much force a handbag strap can withstand. Drop tests simulate accidental falls during everyday use.
Zippers are tested through thousands of cycles to ensure smooth performance.
Leather must resist scratches and friction to maintain its appearance.
Seams are checked to ensure they won't loosen over time.
Only handbags that pass every test earn final approval.
Once approved, the handbag begins its final journey to the global market.
Even the packaging of a luxury handbag reflects its value and attention to detail.
Each handbag is carefully wrapped to preserve its pristine condition during shipment.
Dust bags protect the handbag and add a touch of elegance before it reaches the customer.
Packaging boxes are designed to reflect the exclusivity of the product inside.
Every luxury handbag includes certification to assure authenticity and quality.
Boxes are inspected to ensure the handbag arrives to customers flawless and ready.
Luxury handbags leave the factory and enter sophisticated distribution networks designed for global reach.
Boxes are sorted according to their final retail destination, from boutiques to online customers worldwide.
Advanced tracking systems monitor each shipment across continents.
Upon arrival, luxury handbags are prepared for their final presentation to customers.
Boutique displays enhance the perceived luxury and craftsmanship of each handbag.
The journey of every handbag culminates when it reaches the hands of discerning customers.
Luxury handbag makers are increasingly turning to sustainable materials without compromising quality or elegance.
Certified materials guarantee environmental responsibility and ethical practices in production.
Workshops optimize every cut to reduce material waste while producing luxury handbags.
Advanced systems recycle water and manage tanning chemicals responsibly to reduce environmental impact.
Luxury handbags are crafted by skilled artisans who work under ethical, safe conditions.
Consumers now value both craftsmanship and ethical responsibility in every luxury handbag.
Sustainability and ethics are now as important to luxury handbags as design and craftsmanship.
Every luxury handbag carries a story, rooted in decades of design innovation and brand heritage.
The vision of talented designers shapes each collection, blending tradition with modern trends.
From classic designs to contemporary creations, each handbag tells a chapter of the brand's journey.
Luxury handbags influence culture, appearing in fashion, films, and the hands of iconic figures worldwide.
The legacy of luxury handbags is preserved by artisans who pass their skills across generations.
Every handbag is part of a larger story that the brand communicates through its campaigns.
Collectors and VIP customers experience the handbags in ways that reflect their exclusivity and prestige.
Today, legacy also includes sustainable practices, ensuring the brand's story continues responsibly.
From raw materials to timeless creations, each luxury handbag embodies a journey of artistry, ethics, and elegance.
This is the story behind the handbags that define luxury worldwide, a blend of craftsmanship, innovation, and heritage.